Hi, my name is Tom O'Toole with Flir Systems, and I'm here today to talk to you about Flir Systems' brand new E-Series cameras. E-Series cameras are a feature-rich camera family and are great for the restoration contractor. Let's talk about some of the key features of the E-Series camera. Most of the E-Series cameras are equipped with the capability to save not only an infrared image, but also a high-resolution visual image. It's 3 megapixel. So with their one camera, they can save both their infrared and their visual. In addition to that, they can overlay the infrared over the visual in what's called a picture-in-picture or fusion capability. For dark environments, areas where you're taking visual images in closets, crawl spaces, or attics, we have 2 LED lights that are built on the front of the camera that allow you to take visual images in dark environments. And lastly, we have a laser pointer that's built into the interface, which allows the restoration contractor to point to leaks on high ceilings, for example. The LCD screen on the E-Series camera is a touchscreen LCD, meaning that the user can go in and add spots or do things like change color palettes simply by using the LCD screen. It gives them the capability not only to use the buttons, but also use the touchscreen. E-Series cameras are also equipped with video out. Having the capability of having video out allows you to connect to an external monitor, an LCD screen, an overhead LCD, and allows you to also connected to a digital video recorder. So if you wanted to, for example, record your walkthrough or your scan, you can connect the camera through the video out feature right to a digital video recorder. In addition to that, for the restoration contractor, or the restoration community, it really turns your camera into a selling tool. A lot of our restoration customers like the ability to demonstrate their technology to insurance companies, and that video out feature allows you to do that. The E-Series cameras are also equipped with interchangeable lenses. What that means is you can have either a wide angle or a telephoto lens in addition to the existing 25-degree lens that's built on the camera. So if you're a restoration contractor that primarily focuses on residential work but would like to use your camera more on the commercial side for larger targets, you've got the capability and you've got the flexibility to interchange your lenses. Lastly, what's really exciting is that all of the E-Series family is equipped with Wi-Fi, wireless internet. And what that means is you can transmit data directly from your infrared camera to an external device like an iPhone or even an iPad. And what that means is when you're on the job, you can upload images wirelessly to your iPad or your iPhone, and you can share those images with someone at your office. Perhaps it's an insurance adjuster or even the homeowner. And you can actually create reports using the Flir app available at the Apple Store. So now I've transferred the information directly from my E60 into my iPad. I have my visual images, my infrared images, and any text data like time and date stamp available that transmits as well. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll open up the Flir Viewer app. This is an application available at the Apple Store for infrared users. I've got my entire library of infrared images that I transmitted, and I'll go ahead and choose an image to pull up. And remember, this is a radiometric image, so you still have the capability in the Flir Viewer to go in and adjust your level and span, to add spot temperatures and move those spots. So I'll add 2 spots for demonstration purposes. One on a dry area and one on a wet area. And because we've got evaporative cooling, you can see that our first spot is much cooler than our second spot. In addition to that, I've got the ability to go in and change my color palette. And of course, this is just personal preference, but we'll leave it at this color palette here. Now I can save this image, and now I can go in and I can actually type in my own text annotation that I want to be included in my infrared report. So when, of course, I go into my text area, it'll pull up the keyboard and I can type in any text I want. I'll hit Create Report. Now I've got my full infrared report right here in my Flir Viewer. And now, of course, that I have my report, I can click to email it to any one of my customers or anyone that I'd like to email it to. Very simple. This is faster, efficient, and just really a much cleaner way of transferring images, data collection, and getting that information out to your customer. The E-Series camera ships in a hard carrying case and everything that you'll need to get going in the field. In addition to that, we provide free reporting software, free online training, and finally, we also provide our 2, 5, and 10-year warranty. And what that means is our cameras are guaranteed for 2 years, bumper to bumper, full warranty. The batteries are guaranteed for 5 years, and the detector in the camera, the most important part of the camera and the most expensive part of the camera, is guaranteed for 10 years. For more information on Flir E-Series cameras, please contact your local John Donne representative.